What's up, guys? Today I'll be teaching you how to show you some of the basic things on CAPCUT. So first of all, there's the CAPCUT interface. There's some of the works I've done on CAPCUT. So you click on new project. After clicking on new project, you select any video of your choice that you want to edit. Now I'll choose this video. Now the first things you see the mute button. You can mute the audio if you don't want it. You can still unmute it. So let's start from your left. You will see the edit button. Edit button is just for cutting off a video. The place you don't want, you cut.